Hi all, I am Smokerman and today I'm gonna present you Miui 9.2.6 stable for Redmi 5 Plus. Okay, I'm gonna show you a few things on this phone that you can do it. Okay, just like the buttons, you don't have the gestures here. Still, you only have the hide soft buttons, as you see. I'm gonna put. You have all the screen. When you swipe up, you have the buttons again, so you can use this, or you have to wait for the beta version. Maybe you only have the gestures on China version, but this one, it's the global one. Okay, I'm gonna show you real quick here the AnTuTu score on this phone, on this version. Okay, so here it is. You have here you have the result. Very nice. Second of all, I'm gonna show you the battery life. Okay, you have the battery life here, as you see. Battery use, hardware, the screen, 10 hours. Here I'm gonna show you 2 days. Okay, 2 days. I only charge a minute or two to pass a video here, but it's a great result. Normally it's between 9 or 10 hours. Okay, I'm gonna show you on YouTube how can you improve the videos, because first of all, here you have my channel. You're gonna see here, I'm gonna show you this video, and as you see, I put like this. Okay, you have the video cut a bit. Okay,
Android 8.1 for Redmi.
And as you have the video like this, just do this and you're gonna fill the screen. Okay, as you see, you have all the screen filled. So very nice this. Okay, you can also subscribe my YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, just see here my channel, it's this one. Just press the little bell to activate the notifications and my videos all the time. Okay, for those who want to unlock the bootloader as I want, I have the developer options enabled. I click on OEM unlocking. I'm gonna the ME unlock status. As you see, my phone is locked. I put on this one and it's gonna give me this error. Okay, I used the VPN with China servers, doesn't work. Okay, the only thing it works if you use the test point. I don't recommend you to do it. Okay, just wait for the beta ROM. This is the stable. Just wait for the beta and you can do it. If you want to use the test point, use it and install the China ROM by fast boot. I don't recommend it. Okay, if you all see my videos, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so please don't try that. Don't open the phone. This is a useless thing. You can damage your phone and we don't need that. Just wait for the beta and I'm gonna put the tutorial how to do it. Okay, in the ME video also you don't have the full screen. I'm gonna show you here a video. Okay, like this one, it's not full. Okay, you only have the screen like this. It's cut. You can't do the 2 fingers, doesn't work. But I've installed the MX player. You can install it free on Play Store and it works fine. Okay, I'm gonna show you the same video. Just I put the same video here. Okay, and as you see, the feature screen doesn't work. Just put the 2 fingers and you're gonna put the screen all. and it's a great quality. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, don't forget to press thanks, activate the bell, and subscribe my YouTube. I am Smokerman, and thanks for watching.